Hey guys, good folks over at Runerve gifted me this rechargeable work light. It's got 2,000 lumens. I'm going to get it opened up and check it out, so stick around. Kind of got the layout here on the back of the box. I'll put a little picture of it right there. Plus we'll go over it, but got some specs over here on the side of the box too. Good information. I'll put that right there as well. Have a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. Have our instruction paper here and our light itself. Very nice size light. Feels really good. Nice handle on it. Now I was just noticing here on the back it has a magnet. You can stick that to metal. Show you that in a moment. It's got the two little key slots right here. I call them key slots. I don't really know what you call them, but it's where you can put nails in the wall or screws in the wall and hang it. That's pretty nice. Has a hanger here. You can hang it up like that. That's nice. This thing will swivel around 360 degrees, so put it in whatever position you need it. Has our USB-C charging port and a USB-A port to charge your phone or whatever other electronic devices you need to. And this does have a 4,000 milliamp battery. Should be able to, in an emergency situation, get your phone going or whatever you need going. As your power switch right here. I do like that this is on a swivel mount, and it kind of has a stand here. Not kind of, it does. Have it sitting like that. Really nice. Pivot it down, up, whatever you need it. It does say it has a tripod mountable. It has a hole through here. This is not threaded, so I'm not real sure what they mean by a tripod mountable, but it's not your standard 1/4 inch like for a tripod. But I guess you could stick it down through something and put a wing nut or whatever on top. That would work. Has 3 levels of brightness. Got a low, medium, and high. And then it's got the red light on it. Plus you can double click this and it goes into the strobe. Push it again, it goes off. But you can double click it on any of the low, medium, or high beams and it will strobe. Pretty nice. There's your carrying handle right here. Carry that wherever you need. I do like the fact that you can make that stand up like that. That's pretty nice there. Get that going like that. You need some extra lighting right here, or point it down a little bit if you're working right in front of it. Oh, it has a battery indicator here on the back. Tells you how much charge you have in it right there with the blue LED light. That's nice. Feels pretty solid. Doesn't feel cheap and flimsy. Like I said, it does have the magnet here on the back. Put that there. Pretty strong magnet. Doesn't slide down. I've had some lights that had magnets on them, and they just kind of, the weight of them made them slide down. This one grabs really good. It's a pretty good magnet on there. Underneath this rubber flap. Oh, by the way, it is IPX6, which means it can withstand strong streams of water. It's not submersible, but it will keep water from getting in there. Right up in there, if you can see, is your USB-A and your USB-C ports, and your power button right there. There's your LED lights in case you couldn't see them a while ago. Your carrying handle right there. Your little hook here. Hang it from top of a tent or up under the hood of a car. And there's your magnet and your little keyhole things that you can mount it on a wall. Now, this is pretty bright. Lights it up really well over there, as you can see. Perfect for working under the hood of a car at night. Also works really good if you're out looking around in your little shed when it's dark. Need a little extra light. It's really a nice little diverse light. Be used in all kinds of situations. Definitely a thumbs up in my book. I like it. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Remember, Christmas is coming up, folks. That person in your life, you may have somebody in your life that needs something like this. If so, look down in the description. There'll be a link down there. Also, if you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would very much appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.